No, I'm saying like.
What? Oh my God.
Thing off or something.
Nah, I got it. I want to pick him up to him.
What to do? I don't know what to do, Josiah. Like, bro, can you help me? Can you help me? What I'm saying is we're gonna have to call the plumber. Like, why aren't you? What?
Like something coming out.
You made baby poopy. You do that.
Can you help me?
What is this?
I didn't mean it. I'm sorry.
You get on my face.
Ah, man.
Listen.
Are you? You just throw poop water at me?
Come here, come here.
It is